Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your flight date on trip.com. Okay, so here just have to open any of your web browser or open the trip.com app. After that, you just have to log into your account. So once you're here, you'll be able to see these options at the top. So just simply tap on the My Bookings. Then after that, right here, you'd be able to see your bookings. But I can show you mine right now because I don't have any bookings yet. But if you found your bookings here, you just have to select the flight you want to change. So tap or click the booking, and then just have to look for the change flight option or reschedule. Okay, so this one usually found under the booking details on the app, and it's under in the manage booking. So you just have to choose your new travel date. So the system will show you available dates and price differences, if any, and just have to confirm and pay the difference. And if the new flight is more expensive, you need to pay the fare difference. And some airlines also charge a change fee, depends on your ticket type. And then after that, you just have to wait for the confirmation. Okay, and then important reminders: some promo fares cannot be changed. So if your airlines allows free booking, it will show you no change fee. And if you book multiple passengers, changes apply per person. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.